Alright guys, what I thought I would do is make a real short video on what I think the key takeaway is for week 1, and that would be units 1 and 2. So what I want you guys to build on after this first week is this. There's going to be 3 main types of views that you guys will be using while you're blueprint reading. Okay, so we need to build upon these skills, but you need to know the 3 and understand what they are. All right, so the 3 main views that you need to know are this. So you need to know what an elevation view is, you need to know what a plan view is, and then lastly you need to know what a section view is. Those 3 are going to be the main ones that we will use to pick out information on a blueprint. Alright, so I thought I would just show you briefly what each one of them are and what we can do with them. So all I've done is I've opened up the duplex plan, the 2-bedroom apartment, and what we're looking at here, guys, is the elevation views. So when you're thinking about elevation views, think about it like this. You know, this is an easy one to visualize because it's basically a big rectangle. So each view is as if you're standing in front of it and looking at it, right? So you can go around and you can basically mentally walk around the whole house. The architect here has listed it, you know, front, rear, and then he's got left and right side, all right? What type of information are we going to see? Well, we're going to see, you know, there's windows and doors in it. We're going to see some materials listed here. It looks like we've got roof pitch listed here. So this information is going to be very helpful down the road, and we'll get into it a little bit in more detail down the road. All right, and so that's an important view. The next one would be a plan view. So what is a plan view? So in your minds, guys, think about a plan view like this. Think about looking at this two-bedroom duplex from the top down. A plan view is always going to be viewed at, you know, from the top down. So plan views are going to be, you know, in this case we have a floor plan. So this is what we would use as carpenters to lay out this building and actually construct the building. It's going to give you all the different rooms that are in here with all the, you know, dimensioning that you need to do that. Also, there's a site plan here, which is also a plan view. It's looking straight down. This is going to let us know that, you know, where the building sits on this particular lot. Okay, so very important. Carpenters and other trades use plan views constantly, all right, to pick out information. And then lastly, section views. So here we have a exterior wall section. So think about it like this: sections and details. What is a section view? Well, if I were to take this duplex and cut it right in half right here, and then if I walked around and I looked at it from head on, that's what a section view is. So it's taking a section of a building and cutting it in half. So what types of information are we going to find here? Well, as you can see, there's a lot of information. So plan reading is crucial in understanding what type of information is where. All right, so here I would be able to very, very easily pick out like the size of my footing, the size of my foundation wall, and I can just keep working my way all the way up to the roof. All right, so if I needed to know like the overhang of the roof, I could simply go to the section view and very quickly come up here to where the roof is, and I would look in here. So the overhang of the roof is the part that projects past the exterior wall. Well, it looks like it's a 1-foot overhang, OH, overhang. Okay, so those 3 views we're going to be using, and this is what I want you guys to build off of and scaffold off of when you start learning different terms and what different symbols mean and what abbreviations mean. We're always going to be referencing these 3 things. So you're going to start thinking about, okay, where would I look for certain information? what would be the first place I would go? Okay, where can I find this information? If it's sizes of things or labels of what materials are, you can do a lot of that on your section views, but you also can find information out on the exterior elevations. Okay, the plan views, there's a lot of information there, but a lot of dimensioning there. You're going to find different things, layouts. There's all kinds of things here. We use these things constantly. All right, so please just maybe write them down. Keep them in your noodles, guys, because this is what we're going to be building off of. All right, so that's all I have. So have a good week, and we will see you soon.